Okay students, today class we are going to discussing very important phylum, okay, that is Arthropoda. Remember students, Arthropoda, the word is came from the two letters or the two words. Can you speak out what the two words? Arthros and poda. What is meant by arthros? Jointed. Poda means legs, okay now. So they are having the jointed legs from jointed legs. Very important students. Jointed leg phylum andre one and only one phylum, that is Arthropoda. Plus you already know Arthropoda is the largest phylum. It is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Largest phylum. Okay. Around 2/3. Around 2/3 of the animals are belongs to this phylum only. 2/3 of the animals are, not 1/3. In your examination, they can alter that one. They will give 1/3. No. Okay, now 2/3 of the animals are belongs to this phylum only, student. This one also you should highlight. 2/3 of the animals are belongs to these animals. Mainly the insects. Insects. Mainly. In any season also, if you are put on the light in the night time, did you observe that one different kinds of the insects will be come, but all insects are completely included under the which phylum? Arthropoda. So Arthropoda andre insects phylum anta nenpittukoli. Okay, then Arthropoda same ra, okay, it is also triploblastic. Remember students, triploblastic, bilaterally symmetrical. And which animals are? Coelomates. Okay, now these are also coelomate. But which one is the first coelomates? First true coelomates? Annelidans. And what type of coelom is present in the annelidans? Schizocele. Remember students? Schizocele meaning? Okay, now schizocele meaning it is formed by the splitting of mesodermal bands. Correct? Mesodermal bands split agi, they will form the cavity, that is coelom. That is schizocele. Clear? Okay, now triploblastic bilaterally symmetrical coelomates, these are about the arthropods. But the arthropods ge yen specialty andre, they having that one, mainly the body divide into three parts. Speak out what the three parts are there: head, thorax and abdomen. Remember students, first time perfect head formation is occur in the arthropods. Perfect head. But head formation is initiated in the which phylum? Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes nalli ಒಂದು head shape ತರಹ formation ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ in the Platyhelminthes. Okay na? The formation of the head is what we can call cephalization. So cephalization is first started in Platyhelminthes and properly visible in Arthropoda. This one important students, properly visible. Proper cephalization we can observe in that one, the Arthropoda. Okay, so head, thorax and abdomen. Head anta one special region is there. Understood students? Okay, and thorax region also three parts are there. Okay, that is called prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax, and the three parts also there in the thorax region. Okay, plus remember students, arthropods also showing segmentation. But segmentation only external segmentation. This point also very important. External segmentation we can observe in arthropods. Okay, next very important, body covered by which is skeleton? Exoskeleton. This is very important students, exoskeleton. Because of the exoskeleton, exoskeleton is mainly chitinous exoskeleton, very important. Clear? Because of the exoskeleton, after the death also they lost their shape. No, okay, now they does not, okay, now they do not lose their shape. We have which type of skeleton? Endoskeleton. After the death we lost that one. Okay, we lost that one, mainly skin, only endoskeleton only exposed that one, correct? But they having the exoskeleton, even after the death also they not lost their shape also, that is exoskeleton, mainly chitinous. Ide chitinous cell wall, fungus. Remember students, fungus cell wall is made up of also chitin. Fungus cell wall also chitin, but here chitinous exoskeleton is present, remember. Okay, the chitinous exoskeleton, it is commonly present in the form of plate-like structure. If you observe the cockroach, if you observe the honeybee, plate like structures are there. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಸ್ಕ್ಲೀರೈಡ್ಸ್. That is called sclerites. Exoskeleton is present in the form of small plate-like structures. Small plate-like structures, that is called sclerites. So sclerites ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಡಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಲಿರೈಟ್ಸ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಟೆರ್ಗೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಟೆರ್ಗೈಟ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ which one are? Sternites in the ventral side. Okay na? This is about the dorsal side. Tergites and sternites. Remember students, idu exoskeleton. Then we have to enter into that one, the digestive system. Adike munche sensory organs, what are there? Let us we have to discuss sensory organs. Remember students, what are the sensory organs? Antenna. Yes or no? Okay na? And compound eyes are there. Compound eyes and simple eyes also there. Simple eyes both are there, and both are the, okay na? So sensory organs. Remember students, cockroach is having how many antenna? How many antenna? 2 antenna. Remember, okay na? So they are having that one. It looks like a one mustaches type is there. It will be comes to outside, that is called antenna. But the antenna is monitor that one, the changes in environment. They can monitor the changes in the environment, and they can detect what is the object is there in front of them. That's why it is having the sensor nature is there. Clear? So with the help of, okay, now by closing the eyes also we can easily find out that one, what is the name of the object is there, more or less, not 100%, okay, now like that. Antenna is the sensory organs present in that one, the, okay, arthropods and even compound eyes also sensory organs. It is helpful for vision. Clear students? Okay, again then systems, different type of the systems. And one more important thing also, statocyst. Remember students, statocyst, it is about the which organs? Balancing organs. Okay na? Statocyst are the balancing organs. It is, we can observe in the, it is present in the head region. Statocyst, it is helpful for balancing. Then systems, organ systems. Adralli first of all, which system na? Digestive system. Digestive system, how it is? Complete digestive system is present. What about circulatory system? Circulatory system is closed or open circulatory system is present. And what about respiratory system? So mainly the respiration by different organs. Speak out what the different organ. Tracheal type of the respiratory system is present. Next one in the gills. Next one in the book gills and book lungs. Book gills and book lungs. This is about the different type of the breathing organs we can observe. Remember students, tracheal type of the breathing organs where we can observe in the which one? Very good. Andre insects nalli mainly cockroach agodu, butterfly agodu. Okay na? Idralli tracheal type. Honeybees agodu, they are having the tracheal type of the, okay, respiratory system is present. Gills are present in prawn. Remember students, prawn nalli gills are present. Prawn is an aquatic arthropod or not? Aquatic arthropod, that is prawn. Idralli gills are there. Book lungs and takshna. Arachnids, you should remember about that one, arachnids. Which one is the best example for arachnids? Yes, one, the spider and scorpion. Spider and scorpion both are comes under arachnids. The arachnids nalli book lungs are there. Book gills. Crab, very good. Okay na? King crab anta karitira, or it is also called limulus. Remember students, it is also called king crab. And it is also living fossil. Which one is the living fossil? Limulus. Okay na? So like this, different type of the breathing organs we can observe. Tracheal, gills, book lungs and book gills. These are already finished in the breathing system only. Breathing system na level barutara. Understood students? Okay no? Digestion, circulation, respiration is over. Next one in the excretion. Okay na? Excretion. Clear? Yes. Excretion by different organs are there. What is the name? Malpighian tubules. Remember students, Malpighian tubules are there. Next one in the coxal glands are there. Next one in the green glands are antennal glands. It is about the excretory organs of the which one? Arthropods. Malpighian tubules. Remember students, Malpighian tubules best example is cockroach. Cockroach nalli Malpighian tubules we can observe. Iga coxal glands, coxal glands we can observe in the idera, that is called the as scorpion. Scorpion nalli we can observe the coxal glands. And green glands or antennal glands we can observe in prawn. Prawn nalli we can observe. Prawn is also called which one? Crustacean anta karitiralla, crustaceans. ಈ crustaceansನಲ್ಲಿ green glands or antennal glands are the excretory organs. Remember students, in this different type of the organs, and which one is excrete uric acid? Uric acid. Which one is excrete the uric acid? Which one? Yes, one. Okay, na? Cockroach is excrete the uric acid. Okay, Malpighian tubules and even coxal glands both are excrete that on the uric acid. But the green glands are there. Green glands are, it is also called which glands? Antennal glands. But antennal glands matra they can excrete ammonia. Ammonia. Adikira. Prawn is ammonotelic animal. Prawn is ammonotelic animal. But remaining are uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals. Uricotelic animals. In the form of which one? Pellets. Uric acid in the form of pellets. But pellets formation only come on the less water removal or more water removal? Less water. Very, very minute water is removal is occurs from the body. Got the clarity students? Okay, now this is excretion. So respiration is over. Okay, then we can go for nervous system now. Okay, na? Nervous system. Same here also, nervous system is completely consist of which one? Ganglion. Ganglion. Okay, ganglion. This ganglion is completely supraesophageal ganglion. But the ganglion is completely present in the form of nerve ring. Nerve ring and ventral nerve cord like this. It is present in the form of nerve ring. It is in the form of nerve ring. Next one in the ventral paid nerve cord. Ventral paid nerve cord. Ventral paid nerve cord. Ventral paid nerve cord like. Okay, in cockroach I think we'll discuss again, but for understanding I can draw this diagram. Same like earthworm only this is present. Same earthworm also we can discuss in the earthworm what we discussed. Nerve ring is present and ventral nerve cord is present. Same here also that one. Nerve ring is present, but nerve ring is formed by, okay, same a paid of ganglion is present above the esophagus and below the esophagus. What is the name? That is called supraesophageal anta karitira illi. Ekandre esophagus above, esophagus below they can form supraesophageal ganglion. Idura subesophageal ganglion, esophageal ganglion, and both are completely connected by which one? The circumesophageal anta karitira. Circumesophageal plus igo illindane means what? In the subganglion indane a paid nerve cord will be arises. A paid nerve cord will be arises, but it form the a paid ganglion is formed the in every segment they can form a paid ganglion like this. This is ventral paid nerve cord. Ventral paid nerve cord. Ventral paid nerve cord. Got the clarity students? Idu arthropoda. Arthropoda nalli up to nervous system varige complete aitapa. Okay na? One more time I can review this. Arthropoda, it is the largest phylum, 2/3. Okay, because in your examination, in your NEET examination, from this one only characters they can give in the form of statement. Above the statements are related to the following phylum, like that questions may ask. That's why every character you have to learn carefully that. Okay. So first one is common triploblastic bilaterally. Body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. This first time, first phylum idu. First phylum nalli itara 3 parts are there. Plus segmentation is present. Idu important. Segmentation. Exoskeleton is present. Chitinous exoskeleton is present and sclerites. That one, exoskeleton is present in the form of plate-like structure, small plates are the sclerites. Dorsal tergites, ventral sternites. Sensory organs are present. Okay, na? What are the sensory organ? Antenna and compound eyes are the, okay, statocyst are the balancing organ. Digestive system complete. Circulatory system is open type of circulatory system. Come on, open type of circulatory system. So totally body cavity is filled with which one? The blood only. What is the other name of the body cavity? Sinus. Correct? Body cavity another name and sinus. So if the body cavity is filled with that one, the blood, what we can call hemocoel anta keritira. Hemocoel anta keritira. So hemocoel ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಹಿಮೋಸೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಕ್ವಶನಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಹಿಮೋಸೀಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫೈಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಪನ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಸ್ ಒನ್, ಇದು ಹಿಮೋಸೀಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಹಿಮೋಲಿಂಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Does not have any pigment. ಈಗ respiration is mainly by different methods. Lungs ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲರ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. Okay, the following respiratory organs we can't see in the arthropods. The following respiratory organs we can't see in the arthropod means lungs ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ yes, you can choose. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ tracheal gills, book lungs and book gills ಇವೆಲ್ಲ different types are commonly present, but lungs ಮಾತ್ರ it is not present in these arthropods. ಈಗ excretion also ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ 3 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. 4th ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಬೋಸಿಸ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಬೋಸಿಸ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ್ಸ್. ಪ್ರೋಬೋಸಿಸ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಹೆಮಿಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಲಿಯಾನ್, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ವ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನರ್ವ್ ರಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ಬಟ್ we have dorsal nerve cord is there, that is spinal cord. Okay, so like this. Again, last one we can go for reproductive system. ಈ reproductive system ನಲ್ಲಿ mainly sexual reproduction is present. Mainly sexual reproduction is present. And here sexual dimorphism is present or absent? Present. Okay na? Sexes are separate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ. Sexes are separate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಯೂನಿಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಯೂನಿಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರ? ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೇಜಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓವಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಸ್. ಓವಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಎಗ್ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಎಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓವಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಸ್, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ okay, so indirect development only present. Indirect development, sometimes maybe direct development also present. Okay na? Andre larva stage is compulsory. So in this one some are direct development also there. Idu tilkoli students, okay na. Internal fertilization, oviparous. Okay, this is very important. Oviparous andre egg laying animals anta helbodu. Okay, yes. Iga directly we can go for examples. If when we have to discuss idರಲ್ಲಿ first of all commercially used or economically used animals. Economical useful insects. Speak out which one is economically useful insect from arthropod. Yes, the first one is called Episyndicra. Episyndicra means what? Honeybees. Okay na, honeybees are the best. Honeybees. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂದ ಬೊಂಬಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬೊಂಬಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಬೊಂಬಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೋರಿ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಫರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರಿಗೇರಿಯಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್. ಡಿನೋ ಗ್ರಿಗೇರಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಿಡತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಟೈಪ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಿಗೇರಿಯಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಈ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ mosquitoes are okay, Anopheles mosquito and Culex mosquito. plus Aedes mosquito also. Remember students, Anopheles mosquito. Second one, yes, it's commonly spread that on the malaria disease. Culex mosquito, it will be spread. Yes, filariasis disease it will be carry. Aedes mosquito can carry that one. Dengue and chikungunya. Dengue and chikungunya also they can spread from one person to another person. Plus house flies also there. House flies. Yes, the house flies also completely. Yes, very good. Amoebiasis, it commonly spread that one. Amoebiasis. House flies are completely spread. Amoebiasis. Entamoeba histolytica mainly. Yes, okay. Remember students, Entamoeba histolytica. What is the symptoms of amoebiasis? Liquid stool with blood and mucus. Correct. Excessive liquid with the mucus and the blood. That is about the amoebiasis character features. Clear students? These are okay. Iga episindica. Idu generally honey only we are getting from episindica na? No, along with the honey, come on, what we'll get? Beeswax also we are getting. Beeswax also. A Jane good also we can use economically, mainly making of the polishes and making of the painting nalli use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. Plus cosmetics nalli also use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, that is called beeswax. So beeswax also economically useful and honey also economically useful. That clear students? Are you remember students? Episindica is the best example for social animal. Why? Because it is commonly living as a kingdom type. Correct? In that beehive, are you observing that one? The three type of the honeybees are there. One is called queen, second queen, third one workers. Correct? So which one is the perfect female? Queen is the perfect female. And male antakshana only? Yes, king ni one more name enda drones andre enu karitare gotta, drones. Again next one, whose number is more? Workers number is more. But workers are completely sterile or fertile? Sterile males or females? Females. Sterile females. Remember students, during the pregnancy time and honey mainly queen. Okay, so after that one they can produce that one the eggs. But when they are laying the eggs and the king honeybee, what they can do? They can make that one jelly. What is the name? Royal jelly. Royal jelly, they can make kg of royal jelly they will make? No. Kg of royal jelly they can't make. Just they can make that one little drop. Correct? So later what will be happen during the laying of the eggs? After that one it will be go hatching. After the hatching, and which one will come? New honeybees or baby honeybees will come. Those baby honeybee is first developed. That one is they can eat that one the royal jelly, and they make into queen. Next generation queen adu. Next generation queen. But innondu honeybee huttuvarge ee royal jelly complete agutara. So that's why one honeybee matra it is changed into that one the queen. Again next one, do you know? A fertilized egg in the queen develop agutara. Ade fertilized egg in the which one is developed? Workers also developed. Workers also developed from fertilized eggs, but they are become sterile. Why they are become sterile means they can't eat that one the royal jelly. That's why if you not take the royal jelly properly, but they are become sterile. Adike workers are females. It is also developed from fertilized eggs. Fertilized eggs in the name workers are developed, but it is sterile and they can't produce or they are not laying the eggs. Remember students, but what about male honeybees? Male honeybees are developed from fertilized eggs or unfertilized eggs? Unfertilized eggs. That phenomenon is what we can call parthenogenesis. Carpiella, parthenogenesis. So parthenogenesis we can observe in the which honeybees? Male honeybees. The male honeybees are completely adike male honeybees ge yarella anta helbodu? Father is not there. Correct? Father is not there, but grandfather is there. Why father is not there andre? It is developed from unfertilized eggs. Unfertilized eggs in the develop madavaga. Okay na? So eggs is laid by mother or father andre? Mother only. That's why unfertilized eggs in the drones are, or male honeybees are developed. That's why they don't have any father, but they're having grandfather. Correct, students? Okay, na? So that is important. Even after the maturation also, these they're also don't have the sons, but they're having the grandsons also there. Sons iralla, but grandsons are there. Imam? Okay, what type of sex determination we can observe in the honeybees? Haplodiploid type of sex determination is present. Remember, students, diploid egg in the yavadu develop agutappa? Females are developed. Even workers also develop from diploid egg only. Diploid egg andre fertilized egg ra. Okay, now fertilized egg indane develop aitu. Which one da? That is called female and workers. They are having how many chromosomes? How many chromosomes are present? How many chromosomes are present in the fertilized eggs? 32 chromosomes. 32 chromosomes are there. Are the male honeybees nalli how many? 16 chromosomes only is there. Why? Because they are present in haploid condition. Correct? Haploid condition. But the male honeybees, they can produce sperms, during the breeding time, but by mitosis or meiosis, they can produce by mitosis. Are the female honeybees matra, the queen matra, they can produce by meiosis. Remember, students, again in the principles of inheritance, again we can discuss this concept in detail. Okay, na? Alli varige matra just concept bande alla adi kelkottida. Aitha, students, okay, na? Do you know the function of workers? Workers are completely, they are slaves only, ra. They are the slaves, okay, na? They are completely collecting the honeybees collecting the honey, and they are completely storing in the beehive. Plus they are take caring of the newborn babies also. Newborn babies ni take caring agi, okay, na? They will do everything also. If anybody will also disturb that one, the beehive, okay, na? Yes, they will come and bite, adunu workers era. Queen en madute attack anta helide, okay, na? So attack at takshana, yes, they will go and bite. Are you remember, students, when they will bite that one, they cannot use their mouth organs. The sting is there, sting will be completely pricks to our body. That sting is come from backside. Anus region in the knee, it will be comes outside. Anus region in the knee, it will be comes to outside. That is, it is not come from mouth region. Do you know? The sting is a part of the alimentary canal. Sting is a part of alimentary canal. But after the bite, within 2 or 3 days, even honeybee also will be die. Within 2 or 3 days, honeybee also will be die. Why? Because they lost their one elementary canal part. Elementary canal part ni loss agute. Ekandre sting is a part of elementary canal. But if they will lose that one, the elementary canal means how they can, food will be digested in their body. That's why they can die also. Okay, na? So namigu tumba danger aitandre ನಾವು ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, na? So adunu, okay, na? But they will also die within 2 days. Got the clarity, students? Idra sting anta ಒಂದು part is there. That one is a part of elementary canal. It is a part of elementary canal. Okay, na, students? ಈಗ Bombyx morira, silk moth. Remember, students, silk moth nalli also larva ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತೀವಿ generally. Correct? ಈ larva is commonly eating that one, the which plant? Mulberry plant. Correct? Mulberry plant ni ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ mulberry leaves ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ನಾ? Then what will be happened? ಈ larva later it is become pupa. Larva pupa ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆವಾಗ, are you observing that one? Larva can produce one saliva like structure. ಆ saliva is formed the thread like structure. Correct? That is called silk ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ silk is formed around that one the body surrounding, they will form that one the silk. Okay na? That one is called pupa ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Clear? ಈ pupa stage ನಲ್ಲಿ, yes, we have to put in that one the hot water, we can kill that one, then only we can get that one the thread. ಆ thread ಇಂದನೇ we can make that one the clothes. Silk clothes we can make by using of their saliva ಇಂದ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ thread. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಒಂದೇ thread ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಒಂದೇ thread they can make that one the one ಗೂಡು ತರಹ, they can make one nest ತರಹ, they can make around that one the body. Remember, students, it is looks like a white color ಈ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗೂಡು ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯೂಪಾ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ means what? Threads will be cut that one. If their threads will be cut means what? We'll get the proper silk? No, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪ್ಯೂಪಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ನಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ Bombyx mori ಆರ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಸಿಲ್ಕ, ಪ್ಯೂಪಾ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಸಿಲ್ಕ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಾರ್ವಾನೇ ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಪ್ಯೂಪಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆವಾಗ ಓಕೆನಾ ಈ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೀ. ಆ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ಡೇ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಲೋತ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಈಗ ಲಾಕ್ಸಿಫರ್ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ಸಿಫರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಲ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲಾಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಲಾಕ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ಸಿಫರ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲಾಕ್ಸಿಫರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಓಕೆನಾ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ದ ಸೀಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆನಾ making the seal also this laxifer is using, but nowadays okay na lac is also using artificially also they are making that adu bere vishya, but generally lac is completely made from this laxifer. Ivu mooru economically useful animals, mainly insects. Okay na? 3 are economically useful arthropods, that is Episindica, Bombyx mori and laxifer. Very very important. Ee names also ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ and ee names also ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಗ್ರಿಗೇರಿಯಸ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೋಡೋವಾಗ ಓಕೆನಾ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಥರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಟಾಶ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಕೆನ್ ಈಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡೋವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ ನೋಡೋವಾಗ ಏನಿರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಂತ ಯಾರು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೀವ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಆ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವೇನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೇನಿರಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೀನಿ ಪಾಟೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್ ಇದು ಲೋಕಸ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಸ್ಕಿಟೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಫ್ಲೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, understood students? These are total one of the glands of the arthropoda that. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದ್ರಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲಮ್, ಅದೇ ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Second largest phylum. Mollusca in Latin word actually. Latin ನಲ್ಲಿ mollusks ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Now we are discussing Mollusca phylum. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ mollusks ಅಂದರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲಮ್. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ವಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಲೋಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್, bilaterally symmetrical, coelomates. ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಕೇರಿಯಸ್ ಶೆಲ್. ಇದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಫಲೋಪೋಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇನ್ ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. Remember students, octopus, common name of octopus, devil fish ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಈ ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೆಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 3 parts, that is called them as head, visceral hump and muscular foot ಅಂತ 3 parts are there. muscular foot. So these are the three parts: head, hump and foot, and the three parts are there. Same here also, head. Head is consist of, okay na, head contains sensory organs. Sensory organs are there, mainly antenna. Sensory antenna also present. Sometimes eyes also present. Head nalli eyes also present. Okay. Next, one more, chemoreceptors also present. Chemoreceptors enandre aspergillum. It is one of the chemoreceptors. Aspergillum anta ಒಂದು chemoreceptors also present. For your understanding, okay na, hump is part, it is a largest part anta helbodu. This is about the largest part in the body andre, that is called hump only. Okay, yes, ee hump is showing soft and that is called the as spongy skin fold of hump is called mantle. This is very important, mantle. Next, cavity between mantle and hump is called which cavity na? Mantle cavity. This is important. So mantle anta ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಈ mantle cavity ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಈ mantle cavity contains what? Gills are there. Okay na? Mainly feather-like gills are present. It's helpful for respiration and excretion. That is called feather-like gills. The feather-like gills, where it is present? Mantle cavity. With the help of diagram I can explain. Okay, systems hogana. Digestive system ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೀರ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Plus very important, one of the rasping organ is there in the digestive system, mainly mouth contain, okay na, ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೀರ ಇದು file like rasping organ. Remember students, file like rasping organ, radula. What is the function of file like rasping organ? Is called radula. It is helpful for feeding. Contain file like rasping organ called radula. It is helpful for feeding. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರ, ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸೆಫಲೋಪೋಡ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾರ? ಸೆಫಲೋಪೋಡ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು? ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ತಾನೆ. ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಏನದು? ಇಮೋಸೀಲ್. ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಎ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್. Remember students, that is called hemocyanin anta pigment. It's contain copper. Very important. Copper is present, not iron. Adike it is blue green in color. Blue color blood we can observe in the molluscans. For your understanding, with the help of one small diagram, I can explain this about the shell. Next one, I can draw the head region. Like this. Here, this is about the mouth. This is anus. Here, file like rasping. This is about with the gills. Okay, friends, this is about the shell. This is about the hump. And this is called foot, muscular foot. This is head. You go head nallira, sensory antennas are present. Antenna are present. Are you observing, students? And here the fleshy skin folding is there. This skin foldings ke ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್. ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ಗೆ ಹಂಪಿಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಅದರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲರ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಡಿಲಾ. ರಾಡಿಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ excretion. Excretion andre already I said, gills are only helpful for excretion. Directly we can go for reproduction. Reproduction. In reproduction alli same ra, sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. Here two types of fertilization, either internal or external fertilization. External fertilization is, we can observe, plus indirect development. Indirect development. Here also oviparous is there. Oviparous. They are also laying the eggs. Different larvae are present. Idralli also trochophore larva is there. Trochophore larva. Veliger larva. Veliger larva also we can observe. ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ. ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ. ಕಮನ್, ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? Shell is present. Body is covered by the shell. Mainly calcareous shell is present. Andre calcium carbonate made shell is present. But in octopus, shell is absent. So body is divided into how many parts, students? 3 parts are there. The first one is called head. Second one is hump. And third one is called foot. Muscular foot is present. Muscles. Good muscle foot also present. Adike muscular foot and visceral hump. Because first one we can discuss about the head region. Head region. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಈ ಹೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೆನ್ಸರಿ ಆರ್ಗನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಆಂಟಿನಾ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಐಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೀಮೋ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಈವನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಟೋಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸ್ಟಾಟೋಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಸ್ಪರಿಡಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೀಮೋ ರಿಸೆಪ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ರೀಜನ್? ಹೆಡ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಈಗ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಹಂಪ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಹಂಪ್. Hump is showing that one at certain places they can showing that one the soft and spongy skin folding ra. Igo ee skin folding ge enanta karitara? Mantle anta karitiri. So mantle is a part of the which one? Hump. Mantle is a part of the hump, but it will be showing the foldings like this one. Ee foldings ge mantle anta karitara. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ಗೆ ಹಂಪ್ಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್? ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಡ್ರಾನ್. ಯು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹಂಪೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ಗೆ ಹಂಪ್ಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಈಗ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾವಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಗಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಈ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ feathery like gills are there. It is having the 2 functions. One is excretion, second one is ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಡಯಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಯಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಸಿ ಮೌತ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎನಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡಯಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಮೌತ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ರಾಸ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ರಾಡಿಲಾ. ಈ ರಾಡಿಲಾ ಇಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? ಫೀಡಿಂಗ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಡಿಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈಗ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ blood is circulated through coelom only. This type of the circulation is called open circulatory system. But cephalopoda nalli matra very very important students. cephalopods andre best example ila octopus. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು octopus ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 heart is present. 3 hearts are present. Okay na, understood. And more intelligent animal also there, octopus. Understood. How many arms are they have? 8 arms are there. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ octopus, octa ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂದ 8 arms are there, plus suckers also present. How much intelligence ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if you are put in that one glass jar with lid, we are tight ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೇನು, again they can remove that one the lid and they will come outside. That much of intelligence is there octopus. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ invertebrates ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ or non chordates ನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆಂಟ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ, that is okay na. They are also having a pair of eyes but no bones. Bones are not present. Totally soft ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಕೈಮ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಕಲರ? ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತರ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಮೋಸೈನಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತರ, ಹೀಮೋಸೈನಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್? ಕಾಪರ್ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಐರನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಹೀಮೋಸೈನಿನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ we can't go for reproduction. Here also male female separate, plus internal or external fertilization any one is also occurs, but indirect development is occurs. Plus oviparous, egg laying animals ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು oviparous. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 larvas we can observe, trochophore larva. ಈ ಟ್ರೋಕೋಫೋರ್ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಆನಿಲಿಡಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೋಕೋಫೋರ್ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೋಕೋಫೋರ್ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ trochophore larva is there. Okay na. So plus veliger larva is also we can observe in the which one? The molluscans. Understood students? Mollusca antakshana radula, mollusca antakshana hump, mollusca antakshana mantle, mollusca antakshana oviparous, mollusca antakshana which one? The mantle cavity. Mollusca antakshana which one? The gills. Okay na, feather like gills are present. It is helpful for what? Excretion and respiration, that one both. Okay, got the clarity students? Mantle anta gottaita? Mantle andre it is one of the soft and spongy skin folding of the hump is called mantle. Clear? Okay na. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಊಟನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆದೆ? ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, 3 ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 3 ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಒಂದೇ ಫೈಲಮ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ? ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆನಾ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಬದಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಪೈಲ. ಎಸ್, ಪೈಲಾನೇ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ? ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಜನರಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಶೇಪ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಪೈಲ, ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂದ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟಾಡ. It is also called pearl's oyster ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ, ಪಿಂಕ್ ಟಾಡ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್, ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್, ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಫಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಎಸ್, ಆಂಟಿಡಾ, ಅಪ್ಲೀಸಿಯಾ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸಿ ಹೇರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಂಟಾಲಿಯಂ is called tusk shell ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ Yes, sepia, cuttlefish, loligo, squid, yes, Chaetoplana, that is Chaeton, Aplysia, Chaetoplana, Chaetoplana is called Chaeton. These are totally 8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 8 examples is comes under arthropoda. mollusca. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಸಿಯಾ ಸಿ ಹೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಸಿ ಹೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿಲಿಂದ, ಓಕೆನಾ, aquatic or some are terrestrial also. Suppose not, snail is there. Snail is present in the terrestrial habitat. So aquatic or terrestrial animals, okay na? Aplysia is called sea hare. Tusk shell, Dentalium. It looks like a tusk of the elephant. Elephant tusk nodiditane. Elephant tusk are the modification of which one? The incisors or canines are incisors. Upper incisors means upper jaw incisors or lower jaw. Upper jaw incisors, say upper jaw incisors only modified into tusk. ಆ ಟಸ್ಕ್ ಥರ ಇದಿರ್ತಾರ, ಟಸ್ಕ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಟಸ್ಕ್ ಶೆಲ್? ಡೆಂಟಾಲಿಯಂ. ಈಗ ಕಟಲ್ ಫಿಶ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸೆಪಿಯಾ. ಲೋಲಿಗೋ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಿಡ್. ಲೋಲಿಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಪಿಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಪಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಲೋಲಿಗೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡೋಸ್ಕೆಲ್ಟನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಶೆಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. Sepia and loligo, shell is present inside the body. Shell is present inside the body, is not present in outside the body. Clear? Chaetoplana, that is called Chaeton. Chaetoplana, it is called Chaeton. So, idra octopus andre devil fish, but it is not the real fish. It is not the real fish, but fish anta ಹೆಸರಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ devil fish, that is octopus. Aplysia, sea hare, Dentalium, tusk shell, Sepia, cuttlefish. Loligo ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸ್ಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay students, okay, so these are the examples of the mollusca. Okay, then we can go for Echinodermata. ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. Arthropoda, it takes more time. Okay, but okay, starting in the 5 minutes extra I can take, no problem. Echinodermata. Next phylum is Echinodermata. Echino means what? Spiny. Derma, skin. Okay na? Spiny skin. In the Greek language, Echino means spiny anta artha. Derma already know, skin anta artha. Okay na? That is called spiny body or spiny skin they have. Adike they are called echinoderms. Very important students, exclusively marine. These are all are exclusively marine. Yaudu exclusively marine. Remember students, one more phylum also we have discussed that one. It is also exclusively marine. Which one? Ctenophora. It is also called sea walnuts. Sea walnuts are comb jellies. Adunu exclusively marine. After that, Echinodermata is exclusively marine. No one is living in the fresh water. Clear students? Okay. And E Echinodermata same. Okay. Triploblastic coelomates. But in specialty mainly yes, here are 2 types of symmetry we can observe: bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. But radial symmetry in adult nalli, but bilateral symmetry we can observe in larva stage. This is called adult stage. Adult stage, they are commonly showing. Got the clarity students? Okay, so idu main important. Mainly they are having which skeleton? Endoskeleton they have. Very important. Endoskeleton. Mainly calcareous ossicles are present. Calcareous Ossicles are present, calcareous ossicles. Endoskeleton, exoalla, endoskeleton they have. It is mainly made up of calcium. Calcareous ossicles. Remember students, echinodermate nalli, come on now, which type of digestive system is there? Complete digestive system is there. Complete digestive system. But on the specialty is there in this digestive system. Okay now, mouth is present in the which side? Ventral side. Ventral side. But anus is present in the dorsal side. This is important students. Mouth ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ಓರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. ಇದು ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. ಇದು ಓರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಜನರಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಯಾನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಯಾನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ. ಈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಫಿಶ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾನ್ ಮೌತ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್. ವೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಲೋಯರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಡಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಓರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಓರಲ್ ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಓರಲ್. ಅಬೋರಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಏನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರಾ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಯಾನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಏನದು? ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. It is also called ambulacral system. Sometimes they can ask this word also. Adike students, you can write in your textbook ambulacral system anta word use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. water vascular system anta use ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. water vascular system instead of that ambulacral system anta. ಈ ambulacral system ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಈ ambulacral system useful ಏನೋ? It is helpful for what? Locomotion. Okay now, capture and transport of food. Capture and transport of food. Next one, it is helpful for circulation. It is helpful for excretion also. It is also helpful for what? Reproduction also. Even reproduction also water vascular system is there. Okay? ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಲೋಕೋಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫೀಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕ್ರ. ಯಾವುದದು? ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಲೇಟರ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಇದೇನು ಕೆಲಸ? ಬಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓರಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. It is helpful for locomotion. It is helpful for capturing and transporting of the food, circulation, excretion and reproduction also useful ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಆ ಥರ ಆರ್ ನೆಫ್ರಿಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೇ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟರಿ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್. Clear students? Okay, idra major important. Here also sexes are separate or not? Separate. Idra also male and females are completely separate. Sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. And before that they are also having open circulatory system or closed andre open circulatory system era. Idunu very important. Open circulatory system is present. Idunu important. Idunu textbook nalli mention madilla. Open circulatory system ಅಂದರೆ ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡಾ, ಮೊಲಸ್ಕಾ, ಇಖೈನೋಡರ್ಮೇಟಾ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫೈಲಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರಾ, ಹೆಮಿಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಹೆಮಿಕಾರ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೈಲಸ್? 4 ಫೈಲಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೊಲಸ್ಕನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸೆಫಲೋಪೋಡಾ. ಸೆಫಲೋಪೋಡಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನು? ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್. ಆಕ್ಟೋಪಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಓಕೆ, sexes are separate. Come on, the fertilization is external or internal? Fertilization is external. Very very important. Idu external fertilization is present. External fertilization plus, okay na, Indirect development is present. Indirect development. Indirect development. Indirect development also we can observe in this. Echinodermata. Echinodermata. Clear students? Now only I given the points. Tomorrow with the help of diagram I can explain that. But once again, Echinodermata. Echinodermata is exclusively marine. This point you should highlight. Plus, very important, bilateral symmetry is present in the larva stage, radial symmetry in adult stage, and they having endoskeleton, not exoskeleton, and calcareous ossicles are present. Plus, ambulacral system. Ambulacral system andre gottiditane water vascular system. The water canal system in Porifera, correct? Porifera contain the water canal system. A water canal system, another name, water transport system also we can call, but this one is called water vascular system. Clear? So water is moving inside the body. Because of that moving only, and some of the parts will be extended to outside. What the name? Tube feet. It is only helpful for locomotion. You already I think saw how the starfish is locomotion. With the help of tube feet only. But tube feet formation agಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ water vascular system ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. But the clarity students is the locomotion and capturing and transporting of the food, capture and transport of the food, and circulation, excretion and reproduction. Got the clarity? That's why excretory system is separately not present. Correct? But reproduction is commonly present. Same fertilization is external and indirect development we can observe. Indirect development. Okay? Indirect development under compulsory. Which one is there? Larva is compulsory. Say. Clear? Okay? So very important, digestive system nalli and complete digestive system oral and aboral surface anta irutara. Oral and aboral surface, oral and aboral surface. Which one is called oral surface? Ventral. Ventral one is called oral surface and dorsal one is aboral surface. Today I can stop here and tomorrow I can continue. Thank you.